Hey guys, welcome to Pradev's channel. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. For gardening videos, so please visit my channel and I have playlists and I have a separate playlist for gardening and I have all my gardening videos here. If you are interested, please check out. In this video, I will show you the best and fastest method to grow cilantro or coriander. So before going to the method, right, so let's discuss about growing cilantro. So growing cilantro is really not easy and it is not like other plants, and you need to know about cilantro before you start growing it. So one thing you need to know is the cilantro likes the moisture. The soil should be every time moist and also it likes the cold weather. So you can't grow this in summer or in the high sun. And I've tried this many times and never I was succeeded, and from last year I know how to grow cilantro now, and this is the best method and the fastest method. I'm sure not many people know about this. To start growing cilantro, the first step is you have to take some cotton cloth. So you can take any cloth. So if you see, I've taken very old cloth, and you need the coriander seeds or cilantro seeds. So I use the seeds which I get from store, and if you see the one I showed you, so you have to put in a cloth and just roll it and make sure, right, every the coriander seed is split into two. So that's very important because the seed will be inside the coriander the seed, right? So it should be split into two. See, that is what I'm trying to do here. So you have to put in a cloth and roll it and split, and don't put too much pressure, just lightly, just again it should not damage the seed also. So very lightly and don't put too much pressure and just roll it. So not every seed will be split, that is fine. Okay, and the next step is you have to take a pot. So better take a wide pot, and even the depth should be minimum like half feet. So I just took this old pot and put soil, and make sure to use a very good soil, and I'm using a potting soil which I got it freshly. Don't use old soil because these cilantros are very particular, and the soil should have good moisture and also good nutrition. And next step is put the rolled seeds or split seeds into the soil and mix it. Add some water when you are mixing with soil, so that, right, the seeds will be a bit moist. So once it is nicely mixed, so the next step is you have to take a new cloth. So you need few cloth, and just take a handful of soil and with the seeds, and you have to tie it as you see it here. So make sure when you are tying it, make sure it is tightly tied. It should not be loose. So again, right, the seeds and soil should nicely mix. And if you see here, I'm planning to do like whatever the soil you have, right, don't put everything in one cloth. Try to put it separately. So I'm making 3 pots here. So whatever you are seeing, right, I have 3 cloth and I'm putting the soil in 3 separate cloths. And the next step is take aluminum foil or whatever the plate. So put in a plate, and it's very important, you have to moist the soil and the seeds and pour some water on it. And the next step is take a new pot, or maybe the old pot where you mix the soil, clean it, and next remove all the extra water and put it in this pot. Like if you see here, right, I'm placing all those 3 pots here, and I'll keep it aside. And when you are placing these, right, make sure you place in some cold place. Don't put it in like where it is very warm. It need to be warm. it needs to be cold and warm. So because for seeds to germinate, it needs to be in bit warm place. So after few days, so mainly after 3 days, you can start seeing the seeds will start growing, or you can see the roots. And again, it depends on the location. So what you do is just open it and make sure, right, every day you open it and make sure that it is moist, but don't put too much water because it will start getting fungus. So every day check that is it the roots are coming. So if you see here, right, after 3 days I saw that the roots started coming and all 3 pots, and this is the time. So now you can move this soil or seeds to the ground. So once you see that roots are coming, so you can move that to pot, or you can move that to the ground. So here I am planning to move that to the ground because the weather is also cool here because we are in March. So if you see here, right, like I'm cleaning the bed and I'm making sure that soil is good and it has nutrition, and make sure you clean the soil. And if you see here, right, I'm making 3 lanes so that, right, it will be easy for you to pour water. So when you are putting that soil with the seeds, make sure you put together so that when they start growing, right, they will have support and they can support each other. So normally what I do is I make this 3 lanes, and in between, right, I put you can put water. And also when you are pouring water also, you need to be very careful. You should not put on the plants because they will be very tiny and very small and it will start falling. So that's why I'm making a way in between where I can put water. And if you see here, right, this is my very old bed which I did it in 2020, and I'm planning to upgrade it after few days. So you may see a next video where I upgraded it and I moved all this soil to the new bed. So once you are done putting all the soil and the seed, and make sure, right, you press it properly, and the soil and the seed, it should not be loose, because for roots to hold with soil, it should be very stiff. So press it properly and it should be very hard. And the next step is you put some soil, but don't put too much soil. Again, right, the plants need some space to grow because it will be very small. But just sprinkle some soil on it, and the next step is you have to water it. And one more thing very important, right, when you're pouring water, make sure the soil is good moist, and every day you need to monitor it. And whenever the soil, if you see the soil is dry, you need to pour water, because this coriander or cilantro likes moist place or cold weather. So after few days, you can see that the coriander or cilantro will start growing. So after 1 week, or after maybe like 8 to 10 days, so this is how it looks like. If you see the cilantro shape, it started coming up. And so this was the post which I posted in Instagram and Facebook. And if you see here, right, there are like so many cilantro started growing, and it may take a few weeks to start growing and where I can harvest. Hope you learned something new today. So our channel is all about acquiring knowledge and sharing with everyone. So hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Happy gardening.